What's the matter, Cheyenne? What's the matter? Are you mad? Because I moved your bed? Look, your bed is right there. See? You can get in it down there. It ain't gonna kill you. It ain't gonna kill you. Okay?
She's separate from this man and his family.
I can cover you
She
up.
lived here before they did. And she died a horrible, sickness. She had a very, very, very
You're just not gonna be happy, are you?
Now I understand my headache that I had all day. She had a swelling of her brain. What is it called when the brain swells?
Encephalitis, isn't it?
Yes. The brain swells.
Yeah, swelling of the brain.
That's what happened, and I have a really bad headache.
Did you eat all your dinner?
This trio right here. That's so interesting because the woman doesn't come out much from behind that wall. I'm not getting the full story. I may get it as we go further along, but do you know the story of what happened to this family?
Come get in your bed.
So what I saw, the first time I ever saw this man.
Come on, come get in your bed. Come down here, get in your bed. What? What is wrong with you? You gonna sit on me? You gonna sit on me? Is that it? You're going to? Okay. I'll put it back. Hang on.
He had to
Big
raise his
baby.
son without his wife.
Big baby.
She died first. She died young.
Move out that way. Move out that way. Now, get in your bed. Get in your bed. Bad dog.
Son, I'm trying to ask him about.
Titty dog.
He's
Let me see you.
hesitant to talk to me.
You go to sleep.
He doesn't want to talk. Mentally, I told him.
Good night.